with another truck review. And may I say, like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Press the bell icon for further more notification. You know, as the video drop, you can get it. Yeah, may I beg you, please and thanks. You know, don't know.
What on there?
Too heavy for us to lift up.
Too heavy?
Yeah, we go and do that.
Wow. Well, so it can look better on the yellow truck. The yellow truck can look better, no matter where you want. So. Not chat anything. Yeah, this is by yellow truck. A yellow truck by this, you know, no deal this I can look better on it. Before that I spend more money on it. You look good though, master.
That look well. Yellow truck, yeah, my best guy.
I will have no fuck girl still, you know.
It blew mad on that button.
Then I can't buy yellow light up. But you see. Anything we go on this, I can't go on the yellow truck. I don't know how I'm doing now. You all have no bias now. It's alright, man. It's alright. No, man, the thing connects same way. To the next side, in top work. No, man, the thing connect. I didn't cut it.
No, he didn't pull out.
I didn't cut it, man. I left side alone, he cut.
No, man, so when I connect to the job.
Oh.